Colin and Carol, just going to take you for a run round of your van. Obviously we've done the handover by this point, so you'll receive this after. You've got power on, bottom right hand corner, so the power is on inside the caravan. You've got lights internally, awning lights, lights internally, and then the rest of your internal lights. You've also then got your water pump run, your battery level in the centre here, your dim light, which is on the button here. Oh no, wrong one. Oh, no. On this side, sorry, which will make these lights brighter or dimmer. On this side, to fill the water tank, you do it the same way as what you've done it previously. All the taps open, drain down valve shut, and then water pump on. Once you've got water through the system, you can shut all the taps, and then you can leave the water pump on because it will turn itself on and off as need be. This panel here is for your heating hot water. So the first one here is your internal room temperature. Use the dial on the front to select the temperature and select it, for instance, at 18. The next one across is your water temperature. So you've got off, eco, hot or boost. So depending on how you want to use the shower system, you can select it on there. This one here is the power supply you want to run inside the caravan. So at the moment it's on electric 1. You've got gas, mix 1, which is 1000 watts of electric and gas as well. Mix 2, 2000 watts of power and gas. Electric 1, 1000 watts of power on its own, and that's what we're going to use for the handover. And then electric 2, 2000 watts of electric on its own. The next one across is your fan speed for the caravan. You've got boost, high, eco on here. We're just going to run it on high for now. Then at the bottom, you can set your timer for the start time and stop time for the heating. And on here, you can set the clock for the control panel up above. So at the moment, it is around 140. So that's now set for you. This little symbol here just indicates that you've got power coming into the caravan. Down below the seat at the front of the caravan, you've got your drain down valve and your motor mover control box. Then down below the seat, you've actually got your mains control box. A list of fuses down on the door of the cupboard below. With the fridge, you've got power on. Then you can select the power source you want to use by using the arrow up above. Temperature on this button here. Cooker, very self-explanatory, the same as your household cooker, but we do advise that you get gas up to the hob first before you try to ignite it. Going down to the bathroom, you've got an electric flush up top, and then your waste flap at the bottom, as you'd expect to see on all toilet caravans. Hope this video has been of some help. If you have any further questions, please do give us a call on 01933 682 888. Thank you very much. Bye bye.